You can get sounds and quality stock footage for free. You don't need to pay a cent for this stuff. I find ways to use it all the time. It saves me time, and it's nice to know I have an option that doesn't require a sign up for another subscription to something. For stock footage, try Pexels. I looked at it just recently. I found all kinds of things that I'll know I'll be able to use for a range of projects. For sound effects, you can try Pixabay. I probably go on here at least once a week looking for all kinds of weird sounds that I might need. I haven't had a case where Pixabay wasn't able to give me at least an okay option. And sometimes I might find a sound that is almost what I need. Then I just edit it slightly and then bam, I'm all done and it doesn't cost me anything.